welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your category on your Facebook page. So what is category? When you create a Facebook page, you can decide what the theme of your Facebook page could be. Whether it's gaming or content creation or designer, there are many different categories. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change the current category which you have into something new. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in the menu section of your Facebook, want to click on where it says pages. Once you click on pages, all the page you have created is going to be shown over here. So you want to choose the page whose category you want to change. So I want to change the category of Gamers Garage. So I will click on that and it's asking me to switch into that account. So in order to change our category, we need to switch. So click on switch. Once you do that, you will now be interacting as your Facebook page. Now once you're over here, click on the little Facebook page icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on it, what you want to do is click on your page name and which is going to be displayed at the top. Now once you're over here, click on the pen icon at the top right of your screen. Once you're over here, you can see this first option called edit. You want to click on edit. Now once you're inside edit, scroll all the way down until you see this option called details. So my page detail over here says gaming video creator. I'm going to change that. So what I can do is click on edit. Once I'm over here where it says category, right beside category there's a pen icon. Click on the pen icon and choose your new category. So I'm going to choose athlete. So I will choose athlete, but you can choose anything you want and click on save at the bottom. Now once you click on save, this option will be saved. And you want to click on save again at the bottom to confirm your option. And as you guys can see, your page category should change just like this. In my case, it says athlete. So that's how you guys can change your Facebook page category. Hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.